We're walking. We're walking. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Move that out the way. Here I come. Whoop. The only trouble is we can't turn. We're like a dragster. Full speed ahead. Up. And I'm going to sit down now. Emma.
Good girl. Go for walks.
Emma.
Go for walks, Emma.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Turn around a bit.
Well done.
Woo!
Woo!
It's a little bit tight round here, though.
Turn it round. She's trying to turn it round. Oh, how cute. Good girl. Well done.
Hey. Whoop. Whoop. Oh, nearly overbalanced.
Let's just get it out of the way. Look, there we go.
Possibly not the best.
Good girl. Stand up. Ready? Go.
Don't pull her. She can do it.
I'm not pulling it.
Oh, you're not.
Good
Look
girl.
at that. Look at that. Look at that. And go.
Oh, well done. Turn it around. Come here. Emma. Emma, come here. Excuse me.
I'll find something else now.
Excuse me. Come to Mummy.
Oh, she's trying to work out how to turn it.
Yeah. This way. This way.
Okay.
This way. Ready? And go.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh.
Good girl.
Yay!
Yay. There you go.
We're off now. Here we go.
Oh, you should see his face. Good girl. It's a whole new world, isn't it?
Uh-oh. This way.
Can you go get her tub one? Her block one?
This way.
Other way. This way.
Whoop.
Look at this one, Emma. Look at this one.
Oh,
Look at this one.
oh that could be a bit too much for her.
What did both? Ah, that's the other one.
Yeah. Hello. Hello. Up. Conk.
Excuse me.
Well, that didn't help, Mum. I'm still at the bench.
This way. This way.
This way.
This way. Push it around. Good girl. Push it around. There you go.
Ooh.
There we go. Push that one down. Push that one down.
Oh, you can do it. Off we go. We just can't turn it. That's the only trouble. This way. This way. Oh, whoop. Whoop. Come on. Oh, turn him this way. Turn him this way. Come on. Yeah! Look at me!
You're such a good girl.
So clever. Look at me go! Nothing's gonna stop me! Oop. 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 Maybe the TV, maybe it's a little distraction. That's okay if I just keep going. Oh. Oh. What is he? Well done, Emma. Yay!
Good girl, Emma.
Whoop, whoop.
Isn't she clever, Erica?
Very good. Even Patsy's a bit, what on earth are you doing? We're supposed to be on all fours, both of us.
She bogs down to move the car around.
He does, doesn't she?
She hits it like what?
Whoop, whoop. It's stuck. Let's see if we can move it. Ready? Ready? Hold on. There you go. And there you go.
Good girl. Look for Erica! Yay! Getting some speed up there.
Oh.
No, not for babies.
Yeah, take those out, please, babe.
Oh my god, I can't pick up the other one.
Oh, enough walking.
Play with that.
Oh, enough walking.
Emma.